Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Kathy Lee-Sepsick, President, CEO, and founder of Nasdaq-listed Femasys, a biomedical company developing a suite of product candidates to transform women's healthcare with minimally invasive, non-surgical, in-office technologies. Kathy, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here, Jill.
And Kathy, tell us more about Femasys and its mission.
So Femasys' mission is to provide women worldwide with superior technologies in a variety of areas that remain severely underserved in women's healthcare. We're focused in two primary areas within reproductive health. On two ends of the spectrum, we are developing a product for permanent birth control that is in-office delivered, as well as a frontline treatment for women that are struggling with infertility. And we have a number of other product initiatives that support those two as well.
And why focus on women's health, and how big is that addressable market?
You know, we found that there's just a dearth of innovation within women's health, and there's so many severely underserved areas that remain. And so we're looking at those two primary areas. To give an example, there are over 13 million women that are noted as done having their kids, so would be interested in a permanent contraceptive solution, and their only option today is surgical tubal ligation, which has been around 100 years. On the other end that we're working on with infertility, there are 9 million women that are noted as being infertile in the U.S. alone, and most of the innovation and work that's been done in that area is on the more expensive end of care. So that leaves us with significant opportunity to bring forward options for women on that front end. So large underserved areas of need.
What sparked your interest in women's health and made you want to be a part of this change?
So I am the founder of Femasys, and it was very clear to me then, as it is now today, that women still don't have options that are suitable for basic healthcare needs. And I felt that my skill set, as well as my passion for advancing technologies that have an opportunity to really change the standard of care, and gave me a personal opportunity to perhaps change things for women on a global scale. The big responsibility is something that has driven me every day as I'm advancing Femasys through its milestones, but it's an important job that we're doing, and I'm very excited to be leading this effort.
Let's talk about some of the product here. Tell us about Femasys and where you are with that trial.
So Femasys is our infertility option, again, for the front end of care. We did receive IDE approval from FDA April 8th. And went public on June 18th and started our trial mid-July. So we are currently enrolling subjects in this trial. We are bringing up our trial sites, and we're really excited about the excitement in the field from doctors as well as prospective patients to look for some other options when they're looking at coming off the sidelines and doing something about getting pregnant. So we're going to continue our work there and look to bring on all of these sites and enroll these patients and complete this trial next year.
And Kathy, to wrap up here, looking ahead, what can patients and investors anticipate from Femasys longer term?
So we expect a series of inflection points as they relate to our clinical development work. I've already mentioned Femasys. We are advancing our FemBlock initiative, which is our in-office permanent birth control, and we anticipate wrapping up our phase 2 study and then applying for our phase 3 study next year. So there'll be a series of those milestones and a series of opportunities for patients to enroll in these studies and receive this level of care.
All right, Kathy, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you so much, Jill. Appreciate it.